Chipping. In this session, we will learn about chipping. Removing the extra fragments from concrete walls, floors, and ceilings using chisel and hammer is chipping. At the end of this session, you will be able to chip with the help of chisel and hammer. Before we go into the procedure, let's take a look at the tools and materials required. The tools required are chisel and hammer. This chisel is a flat chisel. Its parts consist of the head, point, and the cutting edge. Be careful not to injure your hand while hitting the head of the chisel with a hammer. Sharpen them well after use and store them safely. Using the sledgehammer and a chisel, let us chip and remove the plastering from this wall. Mark the area to be chipped using a ruler and a piece of chalk. We have to chip a 1/4 inch wide strip of the wall in order to place a 1/4 inch diameter pipe. Start chipping 1/8 inch from the guideline. Place the chisel point with precision on the point where you want to start chiseling. Knowing how to hold the chisel properly is very important. For light work, the chisel can be held with the fingers, while normally the entire palm should be used. It is safer to hold the chisel by the center of the handle. Hold the chisel with a slight inclination while chipping. You can see the inclination if you look from the side. While working with a chisel and a sledgehammer, it is best to chip from the edge towards the center, paying attention to the edge. If your attention is on the chisel, you cannot focus on the workpiece. You should hammer in the same direction as the inclination of the chisel. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to chip with the help of chisel and hammer.